I'm 3 minutes with the 700. And there is no question. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see if we can get GPS recovery here. Let's hopefully we find it. Oh boy, we got nothing. Oh boy, there's nothing. Uh-oh. I have nothing. All right. Looks like we're going to have to do a little bit of search and recovery. So that sucks. Oh man, it's been a while.
Everybody out in the world, stop messing around. Calling all you freaks and nerds.
All right, this is Dad Random. How you doing? Today I have my brand new quad. This is the Flywoo Explorer 4-inch version 2. Updated, I believe, GPS F7. So this thing, I've been so excited to fly this, and I've got a high voltage pack on. It's a 1000 milliamp. So this should be really cool. I've already looked through the goggles and I'm really excited. So let's get flying. I am totally stoked. It's Friday and I'm ready to do my live stream in a couple hours. So this should be amazing.
You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain. My sister's living the dream. But everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. My daddy was a gambling man with no strategy. Who gives a shit about him anymore? Guess we never really settled the score. Half the town screaming out in vain, the other half is fake. But everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. Yeah! Everyone's a hypocrite.
Here. Yeah, right. So here we go. I've got to go and find out close to my location. We should be in failsafe. So we should be out there somewhere. All right, here we go. We are searching recovery
Right, this is
mode.
Dad Random, and I'm paying the price for long range right now on a search and recovery mission for the Flywoo long range. My guess is I'm behind this hill somewhere. The problem is I didn't recognize any features. I do have a beeper that should be saving my butt right now. The problem is right now there's a lot of car traffic noise. So hopefully I can distinguish the beeper sound to the car traffic. So, yep, it's been a while since I've made a hike. I got a live stream at 4. So Kai might have to go on his own if I can't find it. But search and recovery is never fun. I'm thinking it's just the camera didn't really register the direction. So I believe I'm over here because I was flying quite low. So, but I was on my return trip, so we should be perpendicular with the mountain there, returning this way, you know, wrong way. All right, here we go. Search, and I've got to start listening, see if I can hear the beeper. Bye. Okay, I'm using goggle footage to pinpoint. Now I'm looking for specific rock features. Like I think I crossed this feature here. So what I'm going to do in a second here is I'm going to take this position and then I'm going to walk back from it, locating this little outcrop of rocks right here. And it should be straight back. So there we go. So here we go. Let me look. But I know I crossed this little rocky outcropping area. All right, here we go. Keeping our cool. We're going to find it. Gosh, man, GPS birds are so much easier to find. All right, so my last fix, I found, you find I'm listening for the beeper. You find a specific landmark. So now I crossed this trail and then I went up this hill. If I don't find it up on the top of this hill or in this area, I will be really surprised, or if I don't start hearing it really soon. It is over here. Without I turn a little bit further south, and it's got to be right here. So it's going to be like hung up in this hillside here. All right, let's see if we can find it. Oh man, our first walkabout of the year of 2021. Boy, it's not starting good. So I got to stop talking so I can start listening. Hopefully I can hear the beeper. It's either on the side of the hill or it's over the hill. But it's really close. Yep. It's starting to make more sense now. All right. I gotta stop looking at the camera. I gotta start looking around for drones. Later. Quadcopters. Bye. All right, guys. I have been looking for this thing for freaking ever. And it is not anywhere I thought it was going to be, but I can hear the beeper. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I found it. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am in the middle of nowhere, and you know that. There it is. Holy crap. I am the luckiest son of a gun there is. Look at that. Oh my Lord. There she is right there. Oh, there we go. Attaboy. Holy crap, guys. I've been looking for about an hour, maybe longer. Let me go ahead and look at her. She's looking good. There. There we go. Here's her little antenna. Kind of sad. Oh my gosh, guys. I used the direction of my travel, and it was totally much shorter. The camera's, here, me turn this thing off, man. Holy crap. But the camera basically, the video feed, holy crap, hold on here. The video feed is deceptive. So, but if I look at the ground right now, let me go ahead and get my face here. If I look at the ground right now where I'm standing, it makes sense. I mean, there's the wash right there that I crossed, but it's a tiny wash. It doesn't look at any other washes. Here, I got to disconnect this battery. The battery's definitely dead anyway. But, oh my gosh. I'm just going to leave that beeper buzzing. I'm just going to let the beeper go. There, put the tail back on. Thank you. Thank you, little freaking explorer. Thank you for letting me find you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? To be very ironic, I was complaining about this beeper last night to Kai. There's no way I would have found this without the beeper. And and I've heard it probably maybe 100 feet away. If you look at the location here, hold on, holy crap. Oh, man, let me put the other lens on. Let's go wide angle. There we go. There's wide angle lens. So there's my location. If you could drop down here, come on. Come on. There we go. But holy crap, there's the pinnacle of death behind me. Got a little bit of a walk ahead of me, and I gotta shut that damn beeper off, but I love the beeper now. Oh boy. My first real hike with the long range, and Kai and I are gonna talk about it. I'm gonna be back for the live stream. It's 4:01, the live stream just started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna sneak into the live stream and hang out with you guys as I'm walking back. So later, bye. Dead random. Success. Oh my Lord. 2 hours. 30 minutes of flying and 2 hours of walking around looking for my quad. Later. Bye. Okay, there we go. Now we're filming and filming. So, all right. Yeah, but definitely, you definitely got the best. We got the best recording. You what? Yeah, that's pretty. Here we go. Filming myself. That's pretty vain. So maybe I should stop. I look like some people that. Here, look at that though. Look at that beautiful back. Right there. There's the backdrop. Look at that. Woohoo! Let me tell you something. There we go. There's the sun. That's my view home every day. I get to drive home in that. It's freaking awesome. Dead random, out of here. There we go. I had to do that. All right. Kai's a lifesaver. Saved my butt. Oh man, I guess we're just have a little bit to go. Face track isn't working too good, as you notice. This is the Osmo 2 or the Pocket 2. No Osmo left, right? But keeps losing it. Probably because it's too bright behind me. Oh, there it goes up. It's looking for clouds. Now it's looking for who knows. It's definitely not finding my face. Anyway. But very fortunate to find this. But if I can find this in the middle of nowhere, because everything looks the same. If you look around here, you'll notice that it's cheatgrass, it's rabbit brush, it's creosote bush, and it can just disappear so easily in here. Check that out. Can you see me? Can't see the quad, can you? Especially the 250s. So if you're flying 250, especially long range, you got to have a plan to locate it. Got to have a really good plan. Here, I'm going to turn face tracking off. Crap. Just manually. Anyway, that's just annoying. Face tracking. Bah humbug. But I didn't. You probably. Hopefully, it's hitting the sound is not going through the mics. The mic weird because I don't have my lapel pin on. I figured it would run out of battery. So, but yes, victory. And yes, I carried the. I would suggest if you do get your quad lost. You bring the big battery. You definitely have a recovery beeper. That definitely was a big plus. Don't forget to take your goggles with you to go over the DVR footage. It'd be cool if they put a card slot in the phone. Then you could just take your card in your phone. But obviously, I got an Apple phone. But I'm almost home. There it is. What a glorious walk though. Could have been worse. It's Friday, and could have definitely been a whole lot worse. I might not have found it, and I could have went home in shame. Cool. Let me think of something else to say, because I'm in a very good mood. Best day ever. Found my quad, and it's Friday. Yes! All right, Dad Random back. I should have probably taken my backpack. If it would have been hot, I'd have taken some water, but I didn't think it would take this long. Perseverance. Never give up. That's what I love about this hobby. You just keep fighting. You just don't give up. Just like you're flying GPS drones. Just don't ever give up, guys. Just keep looking. But I'm finally back to my car. Just got to go up the final hill. Oh, here we go. The final hill. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. And then, of course, to add insult to injury, there's a fence that I gotta hop over right there. Oh man. Oh man. All right, we're back. Let's see if all our gear's still back here. It is, yay! All right, Dad Random out of here. Flywoo long range. Don't forget your beeper, guys. Later, bye.